the Shea Moisture deal right now, they're on sale for $7.99. There is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens app, making it just $5.99. This is not a great deal, but if you guys are brand loyal, I guess you should get them. I've gotten these a whole lot cheaper in the past. You guys, so the Dawn dish soap is on sale for 99 cents. There is no digital coupons for it, but if you guys do need, some Dawn, definitely go ahead and get some. The next deal is the Persil laundry detergent. It is currently on sale for $4.99. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can get it for, making it just $2.99. Now you guys can get the Persil, or you guys can get the Snuggle, I can't remember the word all of a sudden, but it's the Snuggle, or that kind of Snuggle also. The next deal that you guys can do without any coupons is the Ajax laundry detergent. Usually those are $1 for the regular price and they're 99 cents. So this isn't a big savings deal, but it's up to you guys what you want to do. Okay guys, so the Renew-Its are on sale for 89 cents. Right now there is a buy 4 get 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You guys would end up paying $3.56. It comes out to be just 59 cents a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. Okay you guys, so the next deal is the Quilted Northern. Now it looks like it's just a purple one unless they forgot to put a tag on the blue one, but this one is on sale for $4.99. It says that there is a coupon for 50 cents, but in the app there's actually $1 off, so it comes out to be just $3.99 if you want to do that deal. Another deal that you guys can do without any coupons. Currently the Home Complete or the Nice brand paper plates are on sale for $3.49. They're buy one get one free. You guys can get the small plates, the bowls, the smaller plates, or the bigger plates. Pay $3.49. That comes out to be, I think, like $1.75 a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so the next deal we have is these pistachios. They're currently on sale for $6.99, but there is a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use, making it just $5.99. Okay, so the next deal that you guys can do is the Nice brand bags. Now, some of them are $2.79 and some of them are $2.99. In the ad, I think it said $2.79, so I'm not sure if this will ring up $2.99. But if the ones for $2.79, you guys would buy 3 of them, you would pay $2.79. They come out to be 93 cents a piece. If you guys go ahead and do this, they come out to be like 99 cents a piece. So it's up to you guys what you want to do with that. The next deal that we have is the Tide laundry detergent. It is currently on sale for $4.99. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can use. There's one also for the pods, so there's liquid and the pods. It comes out to be just $2.99, so that's for the liquid, and then these are for the pods. Guys, so the Crest toothpaste deal is $2.99. There is a 5 off of 3 coupon in the Walgreens app. I lost it all of a sudden, but there's a 5 off of 3 coupon that you guys want to use. You guys would end up paying $3.97 for 3 of them, but then you'll get a $3 register reward, making them 97 cents or just 32 cents a piece. Now it looks like you can do it with the toothpaste and the mouthwash, but at my store right now the mouthwash is marked $3.99. It could be the wrong tag up or something like that, but it's actually cheaper to do this, so if you guys want to go ahead and do that, go for it.